Hello guys, today we will understand how to obtain 90 plus marks in computer application paper, right? So you all know there are 8 chapters in our computer application book. First is basic of OOP and loop. Second is library classes. Third is string. Fourth is array. Fifth is function. Sixth is object and classes. Seventh is constructor and eighth is inheritance. So while learning all these chapters, there are some of the chapters on which you go and stuck on the main part of that chapter, right? So then how you can get 90 plus marks? There is one way to get 90 plus marks, that is the way of knowing all the things, that is theory first, program second, third is output, right? How? See, if you are very well in theory but not in programs, then what you have to do? Go through the theory and output both very well. And if you are well in programs but not in theory, then go through programs very well and theory not. Okay? So how? See, if you are stucking on string, please left this chapter. Please. If you stuck on array, please left this one. And if you stuck on function, please left this. Or if you stuck on inheritance, please left this, right? See what I am saying. See, this chapter 1 is only for theory. Only loop is there, in which there are small programs or simple programs of Java. Okay, so chapter 1 is very important for everyone. Okay, chapter 1 is very important. And chapter 2 is also very easy, so it is also very easy. So these two chapters, no one going to left this both the chapters, right? So while working through these chapters, if you are well in array, please do this one. If you are well in function, please do this one. And this is very important chapter, and this is also very important chapter for theory, right? This is very easy chapter, object and classes, you all know. These 4 chapters are easy, but while working on string, array, function and constructor, if you think I am unable to do string type questions, please left this chapter for your preparation, from your preparation, right? Please left, and please prepare well all other chapters, right? And if you are unable to do array type questions, please left this and well prepared other chapters. So what I am saying, to get 90 plus marks in computer application, you should go through chapter wise. If you are unable to do string, you please prepare all the chapters very well, left the string for a while and for your board exam as well. Left this string chapter. If you are very well in string but unable to do array or function anything, so please left that one. Because why I am saying this? Because in program, while you are sitting in your board exam, there is one program from all the chapters. Okay, one is from string, one is from array, one is from function, and there is overall 6 programs, and you have to do only 4. Means out of overall 6 chapters, you only have to prepare how many chapters? 4 chapters. But in theory, there is no choice. So please prepare well theory of all the chapters, but for program only prepare 4 chapters out of string, array, function, constructor and object and classes. These 5-6 chapters: loop, string, array, function, constructor and inheritance. Please out of these 6 only prepare 4 chapters which you know you can do very well. Please prepare only those 4 chapters. And by hook and crook, I know you are able to get 90 plus marks if you go through these chapter wise preparation. Okay, and please prepare for outputs. I know outputs are practical, and which output you will prepare, that will not be in the program. Always there is new output in the program, in the that ICSE paper. But while preparing the outputs, you are able to solve them in a less time, and the saved time will be used in the programs, right? As you know, you are able to do the theory. If you are able to do the theory in 40 minutes, then you have only 120 minutes. Then you are only having 1 hour and 20 minutes for programs, right? If you are completing your theory in 1 hour, then only 1 hour you are getting for programs. Time management is also very important for getting 90 plus marks. So please prepare your previous year papers. Please prepare previous year papers and keep the watch with you and see how many time you are taking for completing this theory and output part of computer application paper. Then only you are, if your time management is like to complete the theory part in first 40 minutes and you are getting 1 hour and 20 minutes for program, then only you are able to get 90 plus marks, and while going through these chapter wise preparation. So guys, for getting 90 plus marks, please go through chapter wise preparation as well as a good time management, so you only able to get 90 plus marks in computer exam. Thank you.